Friday, shortly after 8 a.m. Good morning, KL. A very nice breakfast buffet at the hotel. This is really a great buffet. Various kinds of pastry and bread. The okayu bar. In front of the fruits, one can prepare his noodle soup. The food variety is really gigantic. And there is also a nice drink bar. And this is now our breakfast. And this is roti canai with something. A very nice ambient. And some dessert. Now we are on our way to the Chow-Kit-Markt, which is not too far away. Now we have reached the famous Chow-Kit-Markt. I think these are cropos. This looks very good. And here starts the fish section of the Chow-Kit-Markt. This is an absolutely amazing market. Very fresh. Suddenly we're in the meat section. Looks very tasty. This is a complete head of a cow. This now seems to be the vegetable section. This is called sala, and this is how the sala fruit looks like. Very tasty. Mangosteen. One kilo is 6 ringgit, but we only buy half a kilo. Durian. Dragon fruits, guava, rambutan, different kinds of banana, big, jackfruits, dry fish, fish head, we have now made it back to the fish section. Everything looks so absolutely tasty. And here we are leaving the Chow-Kit-Markt. This is the Hilton Hotel nearby. For a few minutes we cool down in the lobby. Just a few steps to the bus stop. The bus ride you have to pay by card. We are on the way to Merdeka Square. We have reached Merdeka Square. On the one side of the road there are the government buildings from the British colonial era. On the other side there is the Merdeka Square. Here always the national events take place. Crossing the river. Behind the trees there is Masjid Jame. It's time for the Friday prayer, so we cannot go in. So we are moving on. There is a street food market. Looks good. My wife likes this, so she's lining up to buy some. This is chicken. This looks good. And this also. Lots of good food here. Here are really many food stalls. At the edge of Masjid Jame, the Klang and the Sungai Gombak River join. Nice paintings. Over there at the corner there is the Central Market. It's so hot, so we escape into the cool Central Market. We have reached the food market. I want coconuts. 10 ringgit, 10 cents. And the pulp. And we are buying also some momo dumplings. And here we buy some sour plum juice. Tastes very well. And these are our dumplings. After a quite long break, we are moving on. Passing the fish spa. Back at the Merdeka Square with a big flagpole. Nice buildings, but they need some renovation, I think. I love KL. And another view of the Merdeka Square. Not sure what this means. We have been waiting for quite some while, but now finally the bus is coming. It's just 2 stations. The bus stop is opposite of the Majestic Hotel. This is Nationalmoschee. This is the entry for the tourists. Take off the shoes, and there is a dress code for the ladies. And then we are going up. So, und jetzt sind wir oben beim Eingang von der Nationalmoschee. This is the National Heroes Mausoleum. From here one has a nice view of the roof of the mosque. This is the National Mosque Gallery, a model of the National Mosque. The main prayer hall. Here it's very cold. There is another big hall, but I'm not fully sure what the purpose of this hall is. There is a balcony. And this is the view from the balcony. and another view of the city. Meridica 118. Now we are leaving the mosque. And now we are walking back to the bus stop. Today we are going back to the hotel quite early. This evening I have an important appointment and I still want to take a rest. This is the old railway station of Kuala Lumpur, still in use. To cross a big street can be quite challenging. After what felt like an eternity, we finally got on the bus. Walking back to the hotel. So at the hotel we're saying goodbye and see you tomorrow.